Friends, family, bros. Today is an exciting day because I have car parts for the race car. And that is, of course, a Sparco steering wheel. I've been aware of Sparco since the first Fast and the Furious movie, but I've never actually bought anything. I've never owned anything. So I'm really excited to see what's in here and, of course, install it once I get the rest of the parts. Let's take a look. So, cardboard box, cool logos. And a steering wheel. That is it. Now, do we really need the warranty information, the QR codes, the stickers, all the stuff that usually comes in fancy parts boxes? No, but a sticker would have been cool. So this is a Sparco P310. I don't know what the P stands for, but the 310 stands for is millimeters. It is suede wrapped, it's D-shaped, and it has horn buttons. I'm actually not even sure if the horn works, so I might have to install that too later. So that's a very simple unboxing, but let's see how it fits in the CRX. Okay. Welcome to the cockpit of the CRX. That is the Link digital dash. You may remember that from a previous video. Its oil pressure light is blinking at me because the car is off. So this is the factory CRX steering wheel. It is like 360 or 370 millimeters. The main reason to get rid of it is that this is garbage. This is plastic rubber crap that's 30 years old and it moves all over the place. It's not a good feeling when you're in a tight corner and you need like precision input. This has got to go. So here's the new Sparco. It's quite a bit smaller. It's 310 millimeters, 260 millimeters tall and D-shaped. That will mean that like 3-point turns parking will be a little harder because there's no power steering, but it should mean more precise inputs, and most importantly, this suede does not move. This is super solid. This is a really good grip. And maybe if the mailman brings me the mounting stuff, which you'll see in a future video, I'll actually get to install it. Until then, thanks for watching.